How to watch live stream on SKOUT. Are guys facing issue to watch live stream on SKOUT application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To watch live stream, first of all, open SKOUT app on your mobile device. Once you open the SKOUT app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now on the home screen, tap Live or Broadcast section. This is usually at the bottom of your screen where you can see this option for live. Tap on live. This section shows users who are currently live streaming. Browse to the live stream and tap any profile to join the broadcast. You can watch and leave comments in the real time. For example, if you want to join this girl's live stream, tap on it. After you click on it, you will be forwarded to this interface and you will be able to see the live stream. Sound Stream allows you to send virtual gifts to support them or interact with them. Make sure your notifications are on the get alert when your notification or favorite streamer goes live. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna watch live stream on SKOUT application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.